I'm a forest. I make oxygen, store carbon, I shelter many lives. I feed entire ecosystems. I'm essential to life on this planet. No, I'm not this kind of forest. I'm a forest beneath the waves. You don't know me, you don't see me. I don't have a name, and without a name, I don't exist.
Sea forests line almost a quarter of the world's coastlines. They shelter over 1,000 species and have a higher CO2 absorption capacity than rainforests. They are among the most productive ecosystems on the planet. Since 2023, Hyundai has been contributing to restoring sea forests in Korea in partnership with the Korean government. Now, we take it a step further. Restoring sea forests was just the start. We're calling on the world to give them a name, an identity, and a place on the map. Most sea forests in the world don't have a name, and they lack a unified mapping standard. Without a clear identity or visibility, these valuable ecosystems are too easily overlooked in global conservation efforts.
What we don't name, we don't see, and what we don't see, we don't protect.
To create a legal framework for protection, step one is to create a clear geographical boundary around the forest that we want to protect, and the second step is giving it a name.
Hyundai understands the value and importance of marine conservation. In partnership with the Korean government, we have created and also officially named the sea forest located in Ulsan, South Korea.
We're expanding this effort globally by partnering with coastal communities to find the names that honor their scale, their importance, and their history. Together, we already named a forest in Argentina.
Undocumented, que significa campo de vida. Para las especies del mar, las algas generan eso. Y por eso asociamos las dos palabras del diccionario Tehuelche, campo de vida.
And after a public vote, we also named a forest in Australia. We merged fragmented local data from NGOs into a single mapping standard, giving scientists and conservationists the tools to actively monitor these forests.
We've named every mountain and every river, and the fact that these sea forests are still nameless tells you how little we've been valuing the ocean.
There are still countless sea forests without names. By bringing them to the public's attention, we can finally make them visible.
Give me a name. Give me a place in your world.